What's going on, everybody? Man, I'm excited to be out here again. I'm back out here at L&M. It's been another couple months since I've had the chance to come back. Heck, since I've even had the chance to go fishing. The fish are biting. It is cold, January, end of January right now. We're gonna see if we can't get it done. There are some giant fish in here and I'm just determined to catch a whole bunch of them. I'm also gonna be going after crappie a little bit today. I don't know if I want to make that a separate video. It just kind of depends on how many I catch, because you know I don't want these videos to get too long. So if I need to split it, I will. But that being said, I'll see you guys on the water. All right, guys. Out here in the middle of the lake, I'm throwing a Monster Bait Developments Bugrock. It's a lure from Japan. It's a little under 2 ounces. It's crank down style bait. See if I can put it across a fish's face. Oh, that was a fish right there. Followed it all the way up. Just lost the first fish of the day. He was a big one. He has a big side to him. I bet he was at least 5-pounder. That would have been a great first fish. Throw a little rattle trap around. Do some conventional stuff. I really like throwing the big swim baits, but I like getting bit a lot more than just throwing swim baits. Yep. I picked one up first cast, really? I sure did. Wow. Oh, I don't think he's huge. No, he's not huge. Nice, first cast. That is a management fish. Yep. That is a management fish. Keeper fish. We're out here. All right. Well, we got one on the stringer. Like I said, that's a management fish. They have some pretty good goals out here to help them build a trophy bass fishery. And one of those is to keep some of the smaller bass that are out here. Gotta say, it's pretty enjoyable fishing right now. It's not too cold, but it's chilly. It's not too windy, but it's windy. And the weather's not too bad. Oh, oh no, no, that was a big fish. That was a big fish. How did I lose that fish? Oh no, that was a big fish. Oh, this can be a pretty productive little spot. Mess around here a little bit. Oh, there he is. I did get one. I did get one. Oh, there we go. It's a good fighter. What do we got here? What do we got here? I'm gonna pull on too hard. There we go. First one on the Bugrock. Nice fish. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Pliers over here. Use pliers with trebles. Just do it. Save your time. There we go. Nice little 2.5, 3 pounder. See you, dude. Sweet. Oh, that was awesome. What a good, solid fish. There's no better feeling in the swim bait world, I think, anyway, than buying a bait, getting it in the mail, going out with it the very first trip with it, and catching a fish on it. I don't think there's a better feeling out there than just being like, yep, that worked. Oh. 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 Woo! Oh yes, you just popped right out of there. Burrito baits Bacca, baby. Oh, dude, it just whoop, boom, boom. That's 4 pounder, thick, all the way through. Man, he bit the heck out of that thing. Those red, bright red chompers. See, baby. See? Oh, stuck on my glove. Gotta let go of my glove, honey. There you go. Wasn't the elegant release I was hoping for, but got one on the Burrito Baits Bacca. Heck yes. And that bait just popped right out of his mouth. I didn't get a good hex set, I guess. It's all right though. Man, that's awesome. It is windy as heck right now. Trying to find some fish out here. Had some close calls. Landed some, boated some, kind of all over the place on different baits. Got a couple on the rattle trap, a couple different swim baits. Oh, just slacking the line, baby. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, slacking the line right there, man. That was, what a hit. What a hit. Man, that was sweet. Not a giant fish, but another one on the day, baby. There we go. Oh, God, they're heavy. Look how thick that freaking fish is. I'm gonna weigh this one just cause. Yeah, 3 pounds, 4 ounces. 3¼ pounds right there. Ah, what a freaking toad. Later, baby. I mean, she just knocked slack in my line, man. Absolutely knocked slack in my line. Yes. Let's pull him drag. Coming to me, coming to me. All right, we're on, boys. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I barely got him hooked. There we go. Does look like another management bass. Another fish in the kayak on a rattle trap. You know what? The anchor's holding me. I'm gonna go ahead and get out the big bait here. See if there isn't a giant lurking around somewhere. See if anybody wants the big dog. I'm just gonna work it really slow. Pretty much just letting it glide on the bottom. This here is called the BB Shad. It's 9 inches long, weighs 6 ounces. Oh gosh, did I get a fish? Is this a fish? Oh my gosh, I'm on something. Oh my god, it's a fish. I caught a fish on this thing. Oh, look at that. It's not even a freaking big one. Oh, it's not even a big one. They freaking got one. Holy crap. I caught a fish on this bait, and that makes me pretty happy. Nice healthy one. People don't give fish enough credit, man. They will eat the craziest things. That's crazy. See you later, dude. Got a fish. Got a fish on the big bait, baby. In this wind, in this murky water, when everybody says it can't be done, I'm out here doing it. And I'm catching them on all kinds of baits, man. I got them on a soft bait, swim bait. I got them on a crank down. I got them on a glide now. And I also got them on the rattle trap. It's crazy fun. All right, guys, as you can see, I am in the truck and I'm headed back home. My last GoPro battery died out there, so I wasn't able to do an outro. So, doing it right here, right now. It was a pretty eventful day. I ended up catching a bunch of crappie and in amongst the bass, so I'll probably, it'll be a second video. It's just too much crappie action. I'm probably gonna try to post the bass one first. So the crappie one will be after this one posts. I was successful in catching some fish on pretty much every bait I brought. You know, you guys, if you see my early videos, you know I love throwing big swim baits. That's my thing. So the other one, producing bait that I threw today was the rattle trap, and I caught several on that one as well. I am realizing I need to bump up the size on the rattle trap. The 1/2 ounce just really isn't heavy enough for what I needed. I couldn't throw it the way I wanted to. I didn't have the feedback in the rod the way I wanted it. So looking forward, I'm gonna bump up to probably a 3/4 ounce, 3/4 to 7/8 ounce rattle trap. If you guys want some more information about L&M Lake Golf Retreat, you can always Google them. I'll put a link in the description. With that in mind, I'm wrapping this one up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.